Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make loaded scalloped potatoes, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, shred sharp cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and smoked Gouda. When you're finished, set your shredded cheese to the side. Next, dice half an onion, and chop some chives. When you're finished, set these ingredients to the side. Next, peel 8 gold potatoes. Then cut the potatoes into thin slices. When you're finished, soak the sliced potatoes in cold water. This is to prevent the potatoes from browning and to remove any excess starch. Now set your potatoes to the side until you're ready to use them. Next, in a pot over medium heat, add 1 cup of chopped bacon. Then cook the bacon until it's crispy. Once the bacon is finished cooking, remove it from the pot. Next, add 2 tablespoons of butter in the pot. Once the butter is melted, add a half a cup of diced onions. Then saute the onions for 3 to 4 minutes. Once you finish cooking the onions, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds or until fragrant. Then gradually add 3 tablespoons of flour. Cook the flour for 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste. Then slowly mix in 2½ cups of half and half. Once you've added all of the half and half, let the sauce cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to become thick. Next, reduce the heat to low and then gradually mix in 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and 1 cup of shredded smoked Gouda cheese. After the cheese is completely mixed in, add 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of paprika, and a dash or 2 of cayenne pepper. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you finish making the cheese sauce, turn off the heat and set it to the side. Next, in a baking dish, add the sliced potatoes you prepared before. Next, pour the cheese sauce over the potatoes. Use a spatula to spread the sauce out evenly throughout the dish. Then add half of the remaining shredded cheese on top. Next, cover the dish with tinfoil, then bake it in the oven at 375 degrees for 65 minutes or until the potatoes are tender when pierced with a fork. Once the potatoes are finished baking, remove the tinfoil. Then top it off with the rest of the shredded cheese. Next, add half of the chopped bacon you prepared before on top as well. Then place the potatoes back in the oven and broil the top for about 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, add the remaining chopped bacon and some freshly chopped chives on top of the potatoes. And that's it, you're all done. And this is the finished result! These loaded scalloped potatoes are absolutely delicious. They're super cheesy, creamy, and well seasoned. This recipe is an amazing side dish and it's pretty easy to make. I definitely recommend giving it a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.